Welcome back to Finpod, your daily pulse on the markets. I am Evan, and today we are cutting through the noise to get you the signal you need before the rest of the street catches on. Finpod is brought to you by Fintwit.ai, your go-to for real-time, institutional-grade signals and stock intelligence. Let's get into it. The chatter on social media is centered on three big names. Rubrik is up over 8%. The catalyst is a major endorsement from the Cloud Security Alliance, which named them a vanguard for AI security. Traders are piling in because they see Rubrik as the bridge between AI infrastructure and the security layer it desperately needs. Then there is ASTS, which dipped about 4% today. They released their second quarter results, and while they are growing their satellite constellation, the market is reacting to a wider than expected loss per share. Finally, Rocket Lab is down about 3% despite record-breaking revenue. They are leaning into a massive expansion, including an acquisition of Iridium, but the market seems to be taking a wait-and-see approach to their aggressive capital expenditure strategy. Looking at the broader market, the S&P 500 closed down just a hair today, hovering near its record highs. It is a classic consolidation day after a massive rally last week. The volume was relatively light, suggesting that the big players are waiting for the upcoming inflation prints before making their next major move. Rotation is still the name of the game, with capital shifting out of the high-flying semiconductor names and into more defensive or diversified tech plays. In the AI economy, the big news is a massive shift in infrastructure funding. NVDA announced a monumental partnership today with giants like Apollo, BlackRock, and Blackstone to mobilize over $500 billion for AI compute infrastructure. This is effectively turning AI compute into an institutional asset class. If you are watching the AI arms race, this is the most important development of the year. It means the capital backing the build-out is becoming structural, not just speculative. Stocks in focus today. CrowdStrike surged 5% as the entire cybersecurity sector caught a bid, with buyers aggressively repricing the space faster than analysts can hike their targets. On the other side, Hims & Hers Health jumped after raising their full-year revenue outlook, proving that their AI-driven clinical engine is successfully scaling their subscriber base. Meanwhile, Ferguson posted solid earnings, proving that even in a complex macro environment, their industrial and water solutions business remains a reliable workhorse. In earnings news, Simon Property Group raised their guidance, showing strong leasing demand that is defying the broader retail gloom. Barrick Mining saw profits rise on the back of higher gold and copper prices, though they missed on adjusted earnings slightly. Alcon beat expectations, and Bridge Biopharma grew revenue significantly, though they remain in a heavy investment phase for their drug pipeline. To wrap up, today was all about the infrastructure of the future, from the massive funding pools for AI compute to cybersecurity leaders hitting record highs. The market is consolidating, but the underlying trends in AI and specialized tech are not slowing down. For more deep dive analysis and stock recommendations, visit Fintwit.ai. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and drop a comment on what sector you want us to break down next. See you tomorrow.